how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I'm bringing to you a whimsical Santa Claus head made totally out of Dollar Tree items. What? Wait until you see what I used to create this baby. If you like this outside the box idea, please give me thumbs up and consider to subscribe to my channel because there's many more creative ideas coming up, okay? Get started! You are going to need a Dollar Tree styrofoam skull or a styrofoam mannequin head. You can get it in a craft store or on Amazon.com. For the skull, you are going to need a little pedestal that you can also find at a Dollar Tree. And just use hot glue to attach the skull to the pedestal. Similar to what we did with the skull centerpiece for Halloween. And so many of you commented and asked for the bride for him, so I got an extra skull. We're gonna make the bride next Halloween. Grab that skull when you see it at $1.25. It really is a steal. I painted the face with peach color, although later on it's not really showing much. And we are going to attach some eyeballs, if you have any left from Halloween. If not, you can use some pink punk balls. And then for fun, I'm going to attach a Santa's light-up nose from the Dollar Tree, but you can also use a pink punk ball if you like. Lights are always fun for Christmas, right? And also make great gifts, especially for children. I know he looks like a scary clown right now, so we're gonna paint those bloody eyes with some white paint. And I know he desperately needs some hair, so we're gonna use the roving yarn that I got on clearance at Walmart. You will achieve a similar look with the Dollar Tree mop head. Although I have to tell you that the roving yarn, you get so much more for your money, and you can use in your Christmas decor as snow. Like, I don't know if you remember when I did the hot cocoa bar, or making braids for the Nomis and all that fun stuff. We start off by measuring the eyebrows. Nice bushy eyebrows, set of 2. We're gonna use hot glue to attach the yarn to the head. Next, measure the beard and cut to size. Next, we are going to make the mustache. And in order to be able to bend it, we are going to add some floral wire to it. And now you are going to be able to roll up the ends of the mustache on your finger, and they curl up, just like so. Give a little bit more character to our Santa. We are going to glue this underneath his nose. We will add some more facial hair later, but for now, let's try on the hat or a stocking. If you don't have an old stocking laying around, you can get one at a Dollar Tree, and it's a perfect fit. And as cute as that snowflake is, it's not really gonna work, so I'm gonna have to remove it. And as I remove it, I still get some glue spots, unfortunately. So what I'm gonna do is just glue that hat together to give it that wrinkled look. That's what's needed anyway because the stacking is just too long. So we're gonna make it look as natural and casual as possible. Just add a couple um, glue dots here and there and hold it together. You can stuff it with a plastic bag or some newspaper just so it holds the shape better. And for a pompon, we are going to add a Dollar Tree snowball or an Easter bunny tail. They called both ways at different seasons. And that's, my besties, how you transform an old stacking into a cute Santa's hat. Let's see how it fits. Pull it all the way down on his big eyeballs. Oh my goodness. Pull those bushy eyebrows out. I know what you're thinking. He's still ugly. Don't worry, we're getting there. Let's give him some more facial hair. Cutting two strips, wiring, and we're going to add these above his nose now, underneath the eyeballs. I can't help myself but laugh as I create it because I always read your comments that you never seen one DIY from me that you didn't love. Everything I create comes out beautiful. And I truly appreciate that. But, as I make him and keep adding and adding, I'm like, I hope he turns out as pretty as he's in my head because otherwise this will be the DIY that my besties will say, wow, finally she made something ugly. I hope not. I hope you're still gonna see the cuteness in him. If nothing else, I'm sure you will appreciate the outside the box idea. I'm looking forward to reading your comments and hearing what you think. All right, he needs some hair all around the head as well. So we are just measuring, cutting to size, and gluing in sections. Next, Santa needs his reading glasses to read that naughty list. And I'm using a round paint bottle to help me make the lenses. This is really easy. We got one We're gonna leave a space, a little bridge in between, and a second lens. If you've been my bestie for a while, you had seen me make these glasses for an Easter bunny before. Comment down below and let me know if you made them. It's such a cute little detail and everybody always compliments it. Dollar Tree sells this wire in many different colors. I only had red and it's cute, but I decided to paint it silver. You can also do gold, whatever goes with the style of your hat. Just add a few glue dots and attach the glasses to that big nose. Those glue strings are the worst. Guess what? They have glasses emojis. Please give me some so I'll know that you are still watching. Okay, he's getting cute. I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue here so the pompon stays in the front. And then we are going to decorate his hat a little bit. I have some ribbon here, pine cones, leftover branches, berries, whatever you have. First, I'm going to make a cute little bow, about 3-4 inches tail, 7 inches folded in half. That's like a 3.5-inch loop, 2 loops, and a tail. Tie it together with a floral wire or pipe cleaner. And we are going to cut the fishtails and decorate this bow. As you can see, I have a lot of leftovers here. A cute little burlap flower that will go with the buffalo check. Some berries, pine cones. You know, I don't throw out anything when I make my wreaths. These little leftovers come in handy when you need small decor like that, right? So first we are gluing the bow on the side. Make sure it doesn't cover the face. Add a flower in the center. Cut apart some greenery and add around the bow. And then add some berries, pine cones, whatever else you might have. All right, that's definitely a cute little touch right there. But there's something about his eyes that still bothers me. You know what? I think he needs some eyelids and makeup. let's give it a try. Why not? You know, I'm not an artist. I don't know how to paint the eyes, but how hard could it be? And this probably would be a good idea to do before you attach the eyes so you don't paint the brows and everything else. But you know what? I think he's coming to life, don't you think? And then I decide to dip an end of a paintbrush in white paint and add a little sparkle in the eye. Don't laugh. I have some old eyelashes that I wore to the party and saved. I'm gonna cut them to size, and actually I need to remove the glasses before I glue these on. I'm gonna add a line of glue alongside the lid and press down that lash. Oh my goodness, he looks so fabulous already. Is that a cherry on top or what? One more. Who doesn't need an eyelash extension? Even Santa does, right? His eyes are so much more defined now. I love it. Now we just need to pull back down those bushy eyebrows, fluff them up, pull them down his face. And let's add some blush on his cheeks. You know, after all, he's out in the cold and wind and needs a little bit color on his face. Put those glasses back on and off to the North Pole he goes. Oh, did you enjoy this? I hope you did. Please give me thumbs up and consider subscribing because there's many more creative ideas on the budget coming up. Okay, see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Out. You better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Ooh, you better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming